Okay, you guys, if you're interested in how I got this look, please stay tuned, be blessed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Everything here have been here before. Let's get into this look. Okay, so you see me take the tray off the table, and we just going to get a wipe and wipe down the table. Okay, this is the table wipe down. Opposite all wipe down. So you guys have seen my coasters before. You know they came from TJ Maxx. And this candle holder here, I hauled it on this channel. It came from QVC, and that's the other one. So you guys know the candles in the inside, they came from Amazon when I did Christmas. So I'm repurposing those. So I'm just trying to show you like a quick little refresh that you can do in your house. So there go the rest of the candles that I'm going to put in the other thing. I'm going to take these coasters and put them on each side of so that's how that look when you put it in there. And I don't know why I'm trying to move so fast today, but anyway. Okay, we got two books that we got from the Dollar Tree. Don't mind the name of them. They just books, decorative books. We're going to take that and put the angel there. My bowl that I got from Pure One many moons back. And then this have always been on that Pure One silver bowl, so it's gonna stay there. So yeah, and that is the simple, easy, breezy refresh. Didn't take me like 10 minutes. It took me longer to find this stuff than it did to do the refresh. So that's the refresh. It looked very adult-like now, because at first, you know, it was all about the kids and making them happy and playing tic-tac-toe. But when I finally see that they didn't hardly come down here as much as they used to, I said, okay, let's get a big girl dining table. I mean, a big girl living room table. So this is my attempt at a big girl living room table. And we still could clear this out if we want to play tic-tac-toe, if we want to play Uno, if we want to play any kind of board games. We could clear all this out and put the board games back up. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be blessed, and I will see you on the next one. Sitting out here while this man cutting his mama grass. Look who's in the bed with his mom. Like he never in the bed with me. So we finna watch, y'all. We finna watch.
Whatever.
Probably some Transformer movie, huh? Since we got free showtime. Huh?
Yeah.
Grown man status. Taco Tuesday night. We making taco on Tuesday with the refried beans. Okay, this is literally one of the easy meals to make because I get my whole family involved. My daughter, she chops up the lettuce, tomato, onions, whatever else we're going to put on them. This little boy right here, he buttered the pan and put the tacos on them. So, and then we got cheese. So yeah, this is one of my easiest meals to make. We laying on the ground, turkey to ground. And we're going to get down. I just put a ground turkey package in there. I usually do McCormick, but they didn't have McCormick, so I did the Walmart taco package. And we also using the Walmart hard shell. This is one of the quickest, easiest, one of the quickest, fastest meal to make, and also one of the satisfied meals to make.
It's real good.
Yeah. What Carlos said. What you say, Carlos?
It's real good.
Yeah, so me and Carlos looked at that movie, and then Lisa and her dad went to the store. And yeah. So we're just getting everything prepared to make these tacos, and then we'll come back and show y'all how they look once they're all done. Okay, this one right here don't put his beans on. So those are his beans. My ground turkey is done, and he getting these pots out of here so Carlos can put his stuff on.
There you go.
Put his shells on. It ain't now another, what you call it?
What?
Pot.
Call. I don't know. Let me put this on there. We don't read. Don't get about 5 of them.
Nina.
What you doing, Big?
I'm gonna go take a bath, man.
Alright. Taco shells are in. There's tomato over here. Avocado getting done. Yeah, look a little messy, but we alright.
He turns out great in the end.
Yeah.
You can do it this.
Oh, your daddy said he might use some more. If not, then we could put them in the refrigerator. Put them in the refrigerator for now.
Me too. Yeah, some more. Onions aren't finished yet though, so we have to wait.
You gonna do some onions?
I don't know. Should I?
Yes. Come here, child. Show your shirt. Who got you that shirt?
You guys.
For what?
Miami? Where?
Yeah, but what it is for our anniversary.
There. I don't know what number anniversary, but they went to Miami for their anniversary.
So you don't know how long your parents been married?
Nope.
That's sad.
You never told me.
One day. We've been married one day. How long your parents been married?
Married or together?
Married, not together.
20.
No.
Exactly. Okay, at least I didn't
We've
say
been
nothing.
knowing each other for 20 years.
This year, 18th.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you guys, and that concludes our Taco Tuesday. Be blessed, and we will see you guys on the next one. Carlos fixing his food. Lisa's sitting there playing on her phone. And I guess everybody will come when they get finished. So Ishmael just got in from work after he took Lisa to the
Store.
yeah, they went to the store, so he's taking a shower. When he get finished with his shower, then he'll come down and eat. So that's the night.